Mastering Nonverbal Communication in Presentations. Welcome everyone to today's lecture on Mastering Nonverbal Communication in Presentations. Nonverbal communication, including body language, facial expressions, and gestures, play a significant role in conveying messages and connecting with the audience during presentations. In this session, we will explore the importance of nonverbal communication and strategies to enhance your presentation skills. Number 1. Understanding nonverbal communication. Nonverbal communication refers to the transmission of messages through gestures, facial expressions, body movements, posture, and eye contact. It complements verbal communication and often conveys emotions, attitudes, and intentions more effectively than words alone. Importance of nonverbal communication in presentations. Nonverbal cues can greatly influence how your audience perceives and responds to your presentation. Here's why nonverbal communication is crucial. Establishing credibility. Confident body language and assertive posture enhance your credibility as a presenter, engaging the audience. Facial expression, gestures, and eye contact captivate the audience's attention and maintain their interest. Conveying confidence. Non-verbal cues such as firm handshake, steady gaze, and open posture project confidence and authority. Building rapport. Mirroring the audience's body language and responding to their nonverbal cues fosters rapport and connection. Key elements of nonverbal communication. Let's explore some essential elements of nonverbal communication in presentations. Body language. Maintain an open and relaxed posture to convey confidence and approachability. Use purposeful movements and gestures to emphasize key points and add dynamism to your presentation. Avoid fidgeting, crossing arms, or slouching, as these behaviors can undermine your credibility. Facial expressions. Smile naturally to convey warmth and friendliness, especially at the beginning of your presentations. Use facial expressions to express enthusiasm, concern, or excitement, aligning with the tone and content of your message. Maintain eye contact with your audience to establish rapport and convey sincerity. Voice modulation. Vary your vocal tone, pitch, and volume to convey emotion, emphasis, and engagement. Use pauses and intonation to add emphasis to key points and maintain audience interest. Avoid speaking too quickly or monotonously, as this can lead to disengagement. Proxemics. Be mindful of your spatial relationship with the audience, adjusting your proximity to convey accessibility and engagement. Use stage space effectively to command attention and create visual interest. Respect cultural norms regarding personal space and physical proximity. Practice and feedback. Practice your nonverbal communication skills in front of a mirror or record yourself to identify areas for improvement. Seek feedback from peers, mentors, or coaches to gain insight into how your nonverbal cues are perceived by others. Continuously refine and adapt your nonverbal communication based on feedback and observations. Conclusion. Nonverbal communication is a powerful tool for enhancing your presentation skill and connecting with your audience on a deeper level. By mastering body language, facial expression, and voice modulation and proxemics, you can convey confidence, engage your audience, and deliver impactful presentations. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. If you found these tips helpful in boosting your efficiency, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. For those of you looking to take your game to the next level, consider checking out the resources in the description to unlock exclusive strategies tailored just for you. And before you go, make sure to check out the next video on our channel for even more insights and techniques to supercharge your efficiency. Remember, with the right tools and mindset, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Until next time, stay focused and stay productive.